Alright, what's up with you guys? So for this video, what I'm gonna be doing is showing y'all how to fix y'all fuse. But like to say, if y'all Obd2 ain't reading, like the car reader, if like your scanner is not like turning on for your RSX, I got y'all. I know what y'all need to do, and we gonna get straight into the video. But before we even start the video, make sure you like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get up there in the subs, so y'all do that. We gonna get straight into the clip. Shit, there go that RS6 I was talking about. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of raining right now. You know the weather ain't looking that good because I live in Florida, so you ain't ever gonna get the best weather. But it is what it is. So first, what we gonna do is we gonna pop this, and then we gonna get to opening the hood. And probably the reason why y'all think it's not working is because of this right here, the fuse box. You see that right here? We gonna unclip this. Hold up. And the reason why y'all yellow fuse thing is not working is because this fuse right here. It's supposed to be a 7.5 amp that you gotta change, and I believe it's called. Let me see. Hold on, where it's at? It's the back of the fuse right here. This one. The reason why like your thing is not turning on, you don't hear the key alarm or you don't hear like the lights or nothing, it's because this is probably blown. So I rechanged it and everything get to working. And this is helpful for y'all. Y'all subscribe, like, do all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? I got more stuff coming for the RS6. It gonna look clean. I bought a lot of stuff. I'm telling you, it gonna be something seriously. If you ain't watched my last video, watch the last video when I just caught this whip. It's gonna look clean. Interior is gonna be changed. Exterior, we're gonna change it. New rims, new paint, new wrap, whatever it is, and new engine swap. I'm out.